today we are supposed to, just a couple of things. Um, we're supposed to, or you are supposed to do 1.6 part 2 or 1.6b, solving absolute value inequalities. Now, this gets pretty detailed. So I am going to do an example problem from your homework, just to kind of go over all the little details that you got to keep in mind when you're solving these. Before we get started, though, let me just say something about the retakes. I'm starting to get a few emails about, hey, I want to retake this quiz, or, you know, this is my request for a retake. That's not how it works, guys, okay? What you have to do is actually fill out that retake request on Google Classroom. Okay, let me show you. On your Google Classroom, it's right here, retake request. When you when you click on this link, you'll see a link in the description. Now, I had to do it this way because um, this is the only way I can do it where it forces you to do a copy. So when you click on this, it says copy the document, and you have to make your own copy. Okay? Then it brings up the request for retake slides. Now, I went over this before with you guys, but just in case, you have to fill out the first slide. The second slide gives you a couple of things you should do. You don't have to. The third slide, you do have to do this. What happened in your first attempt? You have to tell me why you're doing the retake. Just don't say it blew it off or something. You got to give me a reason. And then here, this slide, which is the fourth slide, and the fifth slide, the fourth and fifth slide, if you did your homework and turned it in for that section, you do not have to do slides 4 and 5. Okay? This is only if you received a 0 on your homework or you didn't turn it in, and I do check Skyward before I make up your retakes. So it just doesn't make sense to retake a test if you didn't do the homework in the first place. Okay. Slide 6, I put this on there for your benefit, guys. What can I do to make sure that you pass the quiz, or how can I help you? And guys, please don't forget to share this with me, because it won't show up for me unless you share it. And the share button is up here in the right-hand corner. Any questions on the retake request? So no more email saying I want to retake a test, quiz 1 or whatever it is. All right, so that's pretty much all I have for the general information meeting. I'm going to stop the recording so I can post